Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to remove a friend from Snapchat using your iPhone and whether they were notified. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone. Tap the chat icon at the bottom or swipe right to open your chats. Find the friend you want to remove and tap on their Bitmoji or name to open their profile. Once you're on their profile, tap the three dots at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Manage Friendship. Now, tap Remove Friend and confirm. Snapchat does not send them a notification when you remove them, but they may notice if they can't see your stories or can't send you snaps anymore. And that's it. You've successfully removed a friend on Snapchat from your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.